So basically what this does, it's not just an orange juicer, it's a citrus juicer. So this unit will do oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes, grapefruits, pomegranates. The only thing you have to change is the cup size. And the cup size is what holds the citrus. And Juan here from Zummo will show you.
Yes, we have different sizes, so that's what he says. That this machine comes with the versatility of allowing you to go with the season. Sometimes you're gonna find oranges this size, but in 3 months you're gonna have to buy the bigger ones because they're the only ones that are gonna be available. So our machine can handle all the sizes between 113 and 72 count, which is the biggest orange that is for juicing. So you're not gonna be stuck with one machine where you don't have oranges to put on, but our machine comes with that. Also, what is unique about us is the squeezing system. We just imitate what you do by hand, which is just grab the orange, bring it down, slice it in two, and then press and squeeze. Let me show you one again. Squeeze it. So our whole mechanism is down here. So that means that we just press and the juice comes from the orange directly to the container. It never falls from the top of the machine like our competitor.
The competitor has
two yellow balls on the top, and everything happens here, so it's like a, and then you have to drop all the way down, touching the peel, the parts, so it collects the acids, oil, fertilizers, pesticides.
So you know what that means? So in the end, because you just dump your oranges in, right?
Yeah,
you're cutting and you're getting just what's in the juice.
Absolutely, because
exactly.
the other one sprays the juice everywhere, hits the peel of the previously squeezed orange. So what you're going to get on our machine is 30% more yield, better tasting orange juice or any juice, as well as a better color. The competitor will have more of a paley yellow, grayish kind of look. Ours is orange. So again, different cup sizes. We have a little filter system. It's a little conveyor belt.